Welcome back. The Tourism Department has begun the process of allotting shacks from Monday. The distribution is being done through a lottery system. However, erection of shacks at Palolem Beach will be decided later.
The process of allotment of shacks for this year's tourist season began on Monday. A total of 332 shacks are up for grabs in both North and South Goa as against last year's number of 345 shacks. A total of 230 shacks will be permitted in North Goa while 102 shacks in South Goa. Allotment of shacks in North Goa is being taken up on Monday while that of South Goa will be held on Tuesday. This year, the Tourism Department has received 902 applications for setting up of shacks. The Tourism Department will decide about the allotment of 8 shacks on Palole Beach at a later stage.
But as far as Keri, Morji, Mandre and Baga, there are some issues about the locations of the shacks still which have not been sorted out. We have to do again another joint inspection with the CIZ authority, and because of that reason at these 4 locations we are not doing the allotment of numbers to the shack allottees. In Sernabati and Betalbati in South Goa also the same issue is there.
Allotment is being done through a lottery system and the process is being filmed by the Department for Transparency.
The allotment is done as 90% for those who have experience, any experience, 1 year and above, any experience is considered as 90%, and 10% is allotted to those who do not have any experience. But again, the 10% allotment will be done only if there are more than 5 stacks in that slot.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
The Central Bureau of Investigation is now investigating the role of Sunil Guddler in stealing drugs from the department's godown. Suspended police sub-inspector Sunil Guddler was arrested by the CBI on 7th October. CBI is also trying to get the statement of Ayala and Zarina, who carried out a sting operation on Guddler. Guddler has now applied for bail in the Sessions Court.
Sunil Guddler is the first Goa police officer arrested by CBI after taking over 3 drug nexus cases following High Court's order. Sources in the CBI informed that Guddler was caught with drugs in his hand on the spy cam. Hence, CBI is trying to establish the link from where he had sourced the drug. Sunil Guddler was also in charge of Malkhana during the time of sting operation. Goa government in a letter written to CBI earlier had claimed that Guddler was stealing drugs from godown and pushing them back in the market. Sources in the CBI also informed that CBI is in a move to record the statement of Ayala and Zarina, sister and girlfriend of drug lord Dudu. Guddler was caught on spy cam while making a drug deal with Ayala and Zarina. The same video was exposed by Prudent media. Guddler has now applied for bail at District and Sessions Court. The argument will be heard on Thursday. Meanwhile, sources in CBI informed that Guddler is not cooperating with the investigation. Sources also informed that Guddler has still not explained why he had gone to Dudu's house to meet Ayala and Zarina. DIG CBI earlier this month has admitted that the entire episode looks like a revenge case. Dudu was arrested by ANC team led by Guddler on 21st February 2010. Guddler, who has even charge-sheeted Dudu, was caught on camera at Dudu's home where drug dealer's sister Ayana Driham and girlfriend Zarina were staying. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai.
Chief Information Commissioner Motilal Keni has expressed a need to spread awareness about RTI throughout the state. Awareness program on Right to Information Act was held at Kunkoli.
Kunkore Union had organized an awareness program on RTI at Kunkore. Chief Information Commissioner Motilal Keni was an invitee for the talk on effective use of Right of Information Act 2005 to combat corruption.
जास्तीत जास्त ह्या हाजो फायदो घेवपा जाय कित्याक आर टी आय एक्टा पासून खूब चेंजीस हाडून जाता लोकांनी इवन तो मिडियाकय उपयोग जाता प्रत्येकाका ताजो तसो उपयोग जाता.
President of the club, Elvis Gomes, also expressed a need to spread awareness in various parts of the state and especially in rural Goa.
ह्या लोकां भितर जागृताय हाडपाची गरज आसा. रायट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट हो लोकां खातीर एक्ट काडलेलो आसा आनी ताच्यातल्यान खुबशे बरेपण सोसायटीन भितर येवंक शकता. पूण गांवांनी जो पर्यंत जागृताय जायना, जागृताय जाल्ली आसा पूण ती चड करून अशी सिटी बेस्ड अशी जाल्ली आसा. पूण गांवांनी लोकांची जागृताय वाडोवपा खातीर हो कोंकणी युनियनान एक प्रयत्न केला.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Konswa villagers in Vasco are facing problems of local buses plying on the route from Madgaon to Konswa. They claim that the buses keep changing their routes. Commuters have to walk almost 3 kilometers. They have now given a written complaint to the RTO in Vasco.
Konswa villagers filed a complaint to the Assistant Director of RTO in Vasco. They claim that local buses change their route and leave the passengers half the way.
एक फावटीन कितें कोताय पिन्नी देवयताय आमकां आनी पिन्नी सावन कोणसुआ एटलीस्ट 3 किलोमिटर्स तरी हा थिंगसून आमकां चलोन वचपडाय ना जाल्यार नेक्स्ट बसी राव म्हणटाय शेतोती आनी ते आपूण टायटना वयताय विचारता जाल्यार सपोज सांगताय तूं मोसाय म्हणटाय तुमगे हाफ टिकेट हा म्हणटाय आनी तुमगे 5 रुपया लागून आपूण थिंग येवपाक काय म्हणटाय अशें करून सामकें सपोज सांगताय.
आमकां बस सारको येयनाय, सारकी पावयनाय घरा वच वाटेर सोडटाय, रातची वाटेर सोडटाय. भुरग्यां ट्युशनाचो रातची लेट 7:30 बी येता तेन्ना वाटेरूच सोडून वेताय अशें म्हणोन. मागीर आतां आमकां कितें तरी RTO दिवन आमकां त्यो बसी सारक्यो येवच्यो आनी आमकां सारकी पावयची म्हणून आमी एक अशें हें केल्लो.
Assistant Director of RTO, Kishore Lotlikar, says he will look into the matter.
Major part is covered by enforcement South Margaon and about 3 kilometers comes under Vasco office. We will keep watch on them. If they don't come, we will penalize them, and we will also inform the Office of Enforcement South Margaon for further necessary action.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take another short break. Stay tuned.